NASA is going to launch a Mars helicopter along with the Mars 2020, which is expected to reach Mars by February 2021. The rover will conduct geological assessments of its landing site on Mars, determine the habitability of the environment, search for signs of ancient Martian life, and assess natural resources and hazards for future human explorers. Scientists will use the instruments aboard the rover to identify and collect samples of rock and soil, encase them in sealed tubes, and leave them on the planet's surface for potential return to Earth on a future Mars mission. On its first flight, the helicopter will make a short vertical climb to 10 feet 3 meters, where it will hover for about 30 seconds. As a technology demonstration, the Mars helicopter is considered a high-risk, high-reward project. If it does not work, the Mars 2020 mission will not be impacted. If it does work, helicopters may have a real future as low-flying scouts and aerial vehicles to access locations not reachable by ground travel. The atmosphere of Mars is only 1% that of Earth, so when our helicopter is on the Martian surface, it's already at the Earth equivalent of 100,000 feet up. To make it fly at that low atmospheric density, NASA had to scrutinize everything, make it as light as possible, while being as strong and as powerful as it can possibly be. After landing, the rover will be driven away from the helicopter to a safe distance from which it will relay commands. After its batteries are charged, and a myriad of tests are performed, controllers on Earth will command the Mars helicopter to take its first autonomous flight.